Welcome back to the channel. My name is Jeannie and this is Get This Glowing. I'm really excited to do today's video because this is going to be a video in collaboration with my good friend Jess Gus. And I'm sure that you all know Jess. She has a very good channel, an unboxing channel, but we can talk her into doing a get ready with me, and that's what we're in for today, a treat, because she and I are both going to be doing get ready with me's using spoilers from BoxyCharm for the February base box. And so we both have the iconic London. This is the Day to Slay eyeshadow palette, and guys, this is a beaut. And so if you want to see the looks that she and I have put together for you using this palette that you are going to be getting in the base box, if that's what you chose, then just keep watching. We're going to be getting into it right now. You're going to be seeing the look that I've put together, this look using this palette. Now this is the iconic London Day to Slay palette that if you chose this is what we're going to be getting in February's base box from BoxyCharm. And guys, this is gorgeous. So it comes, let me show you how it comes. So it comes like this with this beautiful sleeve. If I can even put it in here right, but it comes like this. So it has this little sleeve to keep it, you know, nice and secure, so it's not going to be coming open. But it also, you know, it's magnetized, so it's not going to be coming open anyway. But there is this huge, nice mirror. See that? Because I don't want to like blind you, so I'm going to flip it upside down. But this is what the palette looks like. It is so pretty. I am so excited to have this palette. It is just beautiful. It reminds me just a little bit of the Violet Voss Holy Grail, but toned down. Just toned down just a notch. But it is just beautiful. And so you can do a beautiful go to work look, and then you can amp it up to go out at night. And like I said, Jess is doing a look on her channel. So be sure that you go over and give her some love and see the look she put together over on her channel. So let's get into it. Just to let you know before we get started, I am using the Pacifica Alight Clean Foundation. I do like this foundation very much actually, and Pacifica is a clean, cruelty-free vegan brand. Mine is in the shade Warm Light number 32. And I also have my eyebrows done in the Joa Brow Down to Me product, and I am using this pretty vulgar concealer, and my shade is in the middle ground shade. It is just a little bit, well, it's not really, I don't think that it's necessarily too dark for me. It's just not brightening. So it's more basically the shade that I would use more, I would say, for a foundation, but we're going to use it anyway because I don't really mind that always. It doesn't have to be super light for me. But what I am going to go into is I'm going to go into the Wander Beauty Trip for Two blush and bronzer palette. And I have mine in Bellini and Costa Ray. And some of you may have gotten a version of this in your box maybe last month. I'm not sure whether it was BaseBox Premium. I did not. I actually bought this, but I do like this very much. And I am just going to apply that for my blush. Then I'm going to go into Costa Ray. I think that this is a beautiful little blush bronzer duo. I like Wander Beauty's products very much actually. I'm a pretty big Wander Beauty fan. So I'm just gonna go up here and, okay, so I've got that applied, and then I am going to go in for highlight. since I've got a pretty deep rosy tone going on, I'm going to go in with my Fancy Pink Diamond highlighter, and I'm going to use that. I'm actually going to use a little, I really like this Sephora brush. This is, the Sephora 93. I believe this is the one that, I think my friend Glitzy Fritzy was the one that was like, oh, you need to use that one for highlighter. And she was right. So we are ready to start in on this palette. And so I'm going to be doing a look for you on my channel. Jess is going to be doing a look for you on her channel, just to give you a few options. Or a couple of options. But guys, I am so pleasantly surprised at what this palette looks like. So this is the Iconic London palette, and this should be in our base box, if that's what you chose. But this is what it looks like, and it is really a beautiful, beautiful palette. It has just some really pretty colors. It's got a lot of neutrals. It's got a little pop of gold. So you can do basically a neutral eye, you can do a pink eye, you can do a coral eye. It's really, really pretty. I'm really happy with it, and I've used this twice now, and I love just the overall quality of the shadows. So I've been very, very pleasantly surprised by this. So I'm just going to go in with this color. I'm going to try this one because I've been sticking with In the Nude, and I'm going to go into this one called Marshmallow right here, and I'm going to use that as my all over base color. So I'm just going to tap off the brush, and I'm just going to put that down just all over the lid on both eyes. I'm going to try to just do something that's going to look kind of nice with my shirt. So I think I will go in, let's try Taupe de Taupe. And this is what it looks like right here. Actually, I'm going to get a little bit of a bigger brush now. I'm going to take my beloved Farrah 35E. I love this brush. And now I'm just going to start kind of blending that up just a little bit higher. This palette is really nice for just an easy, casual look, day at the office. But you can dress it up. So it's a really nice palette for transitioning from day to night. And that's what I'm seeing, because you've really got a lot of these really nice shimmers where you can take that day look, and then, ooh, if you want to just transition right on into a nighttime glam, this palette is going to really allow you to do that easily. And what I notice is that you kind of have to build up the color. But I kind of like that because it does allow for you to go in with a really nice soft look for the daytime and then amp it up for the night. And then I'm going to just add a little bit of depth with this color right here called Deep Soul. I'm going to go back and grab that smaller E42 by Sigma. And now I'm going to take that and go under my lash line. Now I'm just blending everything out. And I need to go underneath the lash line on this side. Okay, so there's that look. I'm really liking that. I think it looks great, and it's more of a nudie brown. So I'm really liking that look. Yeah, so I think that we could tight line with, how about some Demolition from 24/7. A very nice office look. And then we'll just need a little bit of lashes on, and I'll finish up my lips, and I'll be right back with the finished look. Guys, I've got my look finished, and so this would be my daytime look that I've got all finished in, and I really like this palette. I've put on just a little bit of the, like I said, the Urban Decay. This is the 24/7 eye pencil in the shade Demolition. I've got on some of my absolute favorite. This is still holding true, people. The L'Oreal Unlimited Mascara. I have been a fan of this since it launched. Once I figured out that you just got to let it sit up for a day. That is the key to that mascara, and then it's just beautiful. The only thing I have on my lips is my City Lips Clear and a lip liner. That's it. And so, yeah, I'm going to leave them like that. So now, let's say that you were at the office and you were going to run out and meet someone for cocktails afterwards. This is the perfect palette for that, because all you have to do is just pop on a little bit of a shimmer on your lid and you're good to go. And to do that, all you've got to do is just take your finger. I'm going to go into Velvet Crush, and I am just going to pop a little bit of that from the middle to my outer edge. And you really don't even need a brush with these. You can just glam it up just a little bit with your finger. And just give yourself a little bit of sparkle. And you're good to go. Now I know that this is kind of maybe a large palette, but your shotgun seat's large too. So you can just put it in your shotgun seat and you're good to go. So I'm going to come in and just let you see. And that's just with my finger. You don't need to take a brush. Just grab your palette, put it in your shotgun seat, dab a little bit of that on there, and you're good to go. Right on after work, just stopping by the club and having a martini. There you go. So, you're hooked up. So I just think that this palette is just absolutely gorgeous. I'm really, really liking it. And so this is the one that I went into right here, the Velvet, it's called Velvet Crush right there. And you don't even need a brush. So I think it's the perfect palette just to go from, they're saying it, from day to slay. So I think it's got the perfect little name. So anyway, I think it's a great palette, and I'm really, really excited for this to show up in our BoxyCharm base box. So yeah, be looking for that if that's what you chose. So here's my look. I hope that you like it. And don't forget, run over and give Jess some love over on her channel, and let's check out her look. And if you like this look, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. It really helps my channel. If you haven't subscribed to my channel but you would like to be, it's really easy. All you gotta do is hit the big red subscribe button down below. And if you want to know whenever I post further content to my channel, then hit the post notification bell and YouTube will give you a little heads up when there's something new to watch on my channel. If you're here from Jess's channel, hi, my name is Jeannie, and this is Get This Glowing, and we just have a ball over here. We do a few unboxings, nothing like what Jess does over on her channel, but I have some series that goes on over here on my channel. I do some get ready with me's, just love all things makeup, skincare, just anything girly for the over 50 woman. We talk about it here and we just have a ball. I would love to have you hit that subscribe button and become part of the Gen X beautiful team. I hope that today finds you happy, healthy, and well, and things are going great in your neck of the woods. And I look forward to seeing you in my next video. But until then, mwah, smidges everybody. Bye-bye for now.